Hello everyone, today we are going to continue with the consumer preferences. I hope you have seen till here. If you haven't, please see the previous video. The link is provided in the description below. So yeah, now we would be starting a new topic under consumer preferences only, which is indifferent curve. An indifferent curve represents all combination of the market basket that provide a consumer with the same level of satisfaction. The points which I have plotted on this graph is actually from this table. Okay, so you can see that point B, A, and C are forming a curve. Okay, whereas point F, E, and D are out of this curve. Okay, either they are downwards or either they are upwards. We will later on understand what this downwards and upwards signifies. So actually at point B, A, and C, the utility of the consumer is the same. And whenever the utility of the consumer is same, we say that consumer has the same level of satisfaction, whether it's basket A or basket B or basket C. So he would be indifferent among these. If these are the options, he would pick any one among these three baskets. Okay, as his utility is the same. Now, now talking about the market basket D and E. In indifference curve, you can take it in layman languages that more it is, more the basket is towards the axis or the, say the origin, lesser the utility is. More it is far from the axis and the origin, higher the utility is. So, for example, let's take the point A or the market basket A. In market basket A would be preferred over market basket E because utility is higher in market basket A than E, and in mark and D would be preferred. D would be preferred above A because in market basket D the utility is more higher. And as you can remember that in the law, as per the law of transitivity, market basket D would be also preferred over market basket E. So that's how this thing is working. Okay. So the point below, okay, below any utility curve or the indifferent curve has a lower utility than that curve, and the market basket above that indifferent curve has the higher utility as compared the utility or the satisfaction level of the market baskets on that indifferent curve. I hope you get the point. Now this diagram is perfectly for an indifferent map. Indifferent map is nothing but a set of indifferent curves showing the market basket among which the consumers are indifferent. Okay, so say if it's U3, so in U3 the all the market basket would have the same utility, but it would be higher than U2 and much higher than U1. Similarly, U2 would be having a higher utility than U1. Okay, that's the point. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we would be again continuing with indifferent curves only. Actually, it's a big topic and it would take a bit 2-3 lectures more, and then we are done with it. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please do share the video.